In 2005, Ruipuhua founded. In 2008, the first line developed. In 2015, deeply developed robot applications. In 2016, was awarded the title of National High-Tech Enterprise. In 2016, participated in the development of the meat floss industry standard. In 2017, was awarded the National Invisible Champion of Manufacturing in the Nanhai district. In 2017, started cooperation with Taiwan Kita. In 2018, launched a fully automatic secondary packing solution. In 2018, had high reputation such as Subdivision Industry Leader, Brand Enterprise, Science and Technology Enterprise, and so on. In 2018, interviewed by CCTV, Finance Channel's Economic Half Hour. In 2019, Ruipuhua is approved to set up a standard working group of food automatic packing line. In the future, we will act according to standard and act above standard. Ruipuhua Machinery. Mission of Ruipuhua. Since our founding 14 years ago, Ruipuhua has been dedicated first and foremost to service excellence. We focus on innovation, production, pre-sale service, and after-sale service of horizontal packing machine and automatic packing line. The average monthly output of 80 automatic packing lines provides an automatic material packaging solution for customers, which has helped many food companies reduce labor costs and make production more efficient. Innovative, professional, and rigorous work attitudes exist in every Ruipuhua employee. We define quality not only in automatic packing industry terms, but also in terms of customer expectations. We base on the best and optimize for Ruipuhua. Responsibility of Ruipuhua. Things are always changing, so responsibilities of Ruipuhua include innovation. Dozens of professional engineers from the development team of Ruipuhua. Our international The Design of Packing System experts manufacture superior quality products for customers with professional technology. Every manufacturing process accords with national and corporate standards. Customers define quality. We pay attention to the needs of the market, which is from mooncake industry, baking industry, biscuit industry, and frozen food industry to commodity industry, fruit and vegetable industry. Packing machine, automatic packing line, robot application, and fully automatic secondary packing solution are also our development priorities. It's our responsibility to make diverse packaging solutions for customers. Value of Ruipuhua. We connect China, almost 20 service stations, which have spread nationwide. Make pre-sale and after-sale service work better. Nowadays, there are more than 10,000 Ruipuhua's packing machines and automatic packing lines in the market. Moreover, our products are sold in more than 80 countries. In China, there are 3,000 well-known companies such as Taoli, Panpan, Ma Da Jie, Yo Chen, Hua Mei, Shu Fuji, Chun Guang, Wan Zai Ma To, Da Li cooperating with us. No matter how remarkable Ruipuhua quality may be, we continually strive to do better for customers and for each other. We will make every Ruipuhua service outstanding. Ruipuhua Machinery.